In today's video, I will show you how you can add a header in Google Docs. If you don't know, header is text that appears at the top of every page automatically. This is good for maybe document titles, company names, or page numbers, and it's super quick to add. So firstly, what you can do, you can just simply double click at the top of your page, and this is going to open these header settings. And here, let's say I can type my company. Now, if I click somewhere else, you can see that we have this my company as a header. Now, if I scroll, you can see that as well on the second page, third page, and basically every page. Now, next step is probably going to be formatting. So I can again double click. I can select my text. We can do bold. You can change the size. You can align it however you want. So you can center it maybe. And also you have header options. So you can find it over here. You can do header format, and here you can select your margins which you would like to use. If you don't know, margins are basically the space between the text from the edge. So you can do maybe, I don't know, 1 inch from the top, and if you click on apply, you can see it's going to move your text 1 inch from the top. And if you don't want to use header on the cover page, which is your first page, but only on the rest of the document, here is this option which says different first page. So I can select this, and what I can do, I can simply leave this empty. I can click anywhere else, and you can see we have first page without header, and other pages have this my company. Another cool thing which you can do with the header is that you can add page numbers. So I'm gonna disable this first page, so we have every page same. And what I can do, I can go to options, and we have these page numbers here. You can choose firstly position. So this means where your page numbers will be displayed. So you can choose footer, so it's going to be at the bottom. If you don't want to have number on the cover page, you can basically uncheck this, and you can here type a 0, which means the first cover page is going to be number 0, and then the second page is actually the starting page, so it's going to be number 1. So what I can do, I can click on apply, and here if I scroll, you can see that we have number 1 over here. So this is the first page, second page, and actually I'm gonna move this. So I'm gonna press backspace to move everything to the left, and then with the space I'm gonna move my company. So this is our page number, this is our company name, and this is how you can add header inside Google Docs. Now, if you'd like to remove the header, it's simple. You have their options button, and you can click on remove header, and it's going to remove all of the headers. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.